There are three types of persons in broken churches, broken Christian organizations that keep abuse going, that makes abuse possible and keeps abuse sustainable. They are obviously the wolves. These are people who are deceptive, they are controlling, they are exploitative, they are not Christian. They use Christian organization, Christian context to kind of prop themselves up, to gain an advantage for themselves, for their own benefit. Then there are people whom I call the enablers. These are people, sincere believers in many cases, who should know better. They propagate and promote a form of Christianity that is unbiblical. The Bible speaks about these people accumulating teachers that soothe their own ears, that will preach things that they want to hear. These are the kinds of people who not only tolerate sin, but they give approval to sin. Not necessarily because they are evil or bad people, but simply because they think that that's the form of love that the world needs. These are the most dangerous people, the enablers, because they keep the door open for the wolves. Then there are the immature Christians. And it's important for us to distinguish between these three groups of people, because otherwise we will treat them all the same. For wolves, we don't have fellowship with wolves. We have no tolerance for wolves. We fight them off. They should not be in our midst because they are ravenous. They will kill and devour the flock. The enablers need to be disciplined. We should stop excusing their behavior by saying, no, look, at least the intention was good. The time for good intentions, it's over. They should know better. Because we need to protect the flock. We need to protect those among us that are a little bit more weaker, that are young Christians, that need guidance, they need the foundational standard of the Word of God to be applied to their lives. And this is where we are, guys. We can no longer tolerate wolves. We can no longer excuse well-meaning Christians when they are indulging in behaviors and structures and systems that compromise the structural integrity of the Christian community.